Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites. Check Xbox Live service and whether your NAT is strict or moderate because that affects connectivity. Once done, power cycle the console and your router, turn off, wait 30 seconds, then power back up to clear transient network glitches. Next, sign into your Xbox profile and go to Account Privacy and Online Safety to ensure party chat and microphone access are allowed. These permissions are often the silent reason parties fail to connect. Now move into the complex middle steps. Run the Xbox network test and view detailed statistics to identify packet loss, latency, or NAT issues. If NAT stays strict, either enable UPnP on your router or set port forwarding for Xbox Live ports. Alternatively, assign a static IP to the console to stabilize routing. Also update controller and headset firmware, try a different headset cable or adapter, and test voice with the Xbox app to isolate hardware versus network. Finish by resetting the party session. Have everyone leave, remove, and re-add participants, or create a brand new party to clear stuck voice sessions. If problems persist, reset the console's network settings or temporarily use a different network like a mobile hotspot to confirm ISP or router involvement. Make sure to clear the local saved network profile and sign out and back into your Xbox account. If nothing helps, one key tip: try a router reboot with UPnP disabled, then re-enabled to force a fresh NAT mapping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.